channel. Today's video is unboxing January 2021 Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside my January box and how to get your hands on one of these if you would like one, then please keep watching. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lauren. I upload videos 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sunday. Just firstly, before I get into this video, I am so grateful for everyone who has subscribed to my channel so far, and even liking the video or any kind of videos. I'm so thankful for every single one of you. So happy, and thank you so much. I'm enjoying doing these, and I will be continuing doing these basically until I do not want to do them anymore, which at the moment is looking like never. I'm going to keep doing my videos for you guys because you are interested in everything I do, about my personal life, about my life, about what I love doing, showing you hauls, unboxing boxes. But yeah, let's get into this video. So today's video, as you have guessed, it is an unboxing of the January 2021 Glossybox. So this is the first Glossybox that I'm going to be unboxing of the year, and I cannot wait to show you guys what's inside. Before I show you, I just want to let you guys know this is not a paid sponsorship. I pay Glossybox out of my very own money, so everything you see or hear about today, I am doing this on my very own back. I am not being paid to say any of this. I do not have any discount codes or anything else. But yeah, I'm not being paid to say any of this. So, for those of you who don't know about Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly subscription service, which they are very beautiful as well. They have a beautiful team behind it as well. So if you have any questions or anything, then please give them a message and they will get back to you as soon as possible. But this is one of the boxes. They come to your door every month in this beautiful pink box. You can choose the plan you like as well that suits you. So when you click on subscription, they don't have a specific kind of subscription service. You can choose the plan that suits you. I go for £10 a month, and I get a box every month to my door just like this. They also do limited edition boxes, and at the end of the year they do the advent calendar, which you guys have seen in my advent calendar of the Glossybox. But they let you know nearer the time anyway. So if you do want to grab your hands on one of these boxes, head in the description box below. There will be the link for directly to Glossybox, so you can purchase them or even just have a look at them yourself. It's totally up to you. Also, quickly before I open this box, to get the limited edition boxes you have to earn Glossy credits. So Glossy credits is like a kind of money saving situation. You receive your box every month, then you head over to your surveys, which you do a review of each product that is inside your box. As soon as you do that and you have a review on every single product, then they will send you the Glossy credits, which you can either save for the limited edition boxes or get the advent calendar at the end of the year, so save up all your Glossy credits for that. Or as another one, or you can spend them on Look Fantastic websites. So there is so many good opportunities in just one box. So I subscribe to Glossybox for £10 a month, and I receive one of these beautiful boxes at the end of the month. It is my very first Glossybox of this year. I have been subscribed to Glossybox for quite a long time now. I would love to work with them, I really would. So Glossybox, if you're watching this video, hit a girl up. They probably won't even see this video, but just in case, hit a girl up because I would love to work with you guys. So this is my very first one of the year. I'm so excited, can't get my words out now. So excited, and I have had a look before I filmed this video. So let's get into it. So, just quickly before I get into it, each box you receive at every month is worth £50. So every product you receive in each box is worth £50 alone, and I get mine for £10 a month. So let's get opening. So when you open your beauty box, there we go, you will see something like this. So every month they do like a different kind of theme, whether it's like winter, Christmas, summer, hair care or skin care. They do all sorts, so you get a lot of products in here as well. So first you see a little leaflet here. Also, most of the products I've never even heard of, so it is good to try out the products as well. So like I said, this is your little leaflet, well, yeah, little leaflet, and it's the power of beauty. And then inside it tells you everything you have inside your box, and then on the back it gives you a sneak peek of your next month. So this is a sneak peek of my February box. Then it has about the glossy of the month, glossy lounge, and glossy credits. Also, glossy lounge is like glossy credits, but glossy lounge, it gives you a lot of discounts of everything. You can have discounts of like Molten Brown. You get discounts of like restaurants. There's so much on there. It is really worth signing up to Glossybox because you can get a lot out of it. You can actually purchase Glossybox skincare and Glossybox water bottle. They've got Glossybox face masks. There is so many, so there is a good opportunity to subscribe to one of these. I love them personally. I love receiving this little box at the end of the month because it makes you so happy and makes you feel good about yourself as well. So this is the box you see. It has got a blue ribbon, a black ribbon tied to your products. The black ribbon off. So it has this tissue paper, and it has a little sticker on it, which is the Glossybox sticker logo. And without trying to tip everything out, there are the beauty products that I'm about to show you anyway. And I cannot wait to actually show you guys. So first things first is this Your Sanitizer hand sanitizer gel, aloe vera and vitamin E. So they do put in hand sanitizers in your beauty boxes as well, which actually comes in very, very handy, especially in what's going on at the moment with coronavirus and stuff. But yeah, I've got a lovely hand sanitizer gel, so this will come in handy for when I go to work as well. We do have one in the house, which is actually from Makeup Revolution, but this one can be personally just for me for work or for Nathan or whatever. It's going to come in handy anyway. Then this is a 2-pack Daily Concepts Daily Reusable Rounds. So I'll show you guys what the packaging looks like. I've actually got absolutely loads of these. They're very, very good at getting your makeup off as well. So this is what the rounds look like. They look like drying kind of cotton iPads, but they're so soft, and they help you get your makeup off as well, especially if you're doing your skincare and you don't want to if you can't find a cloth or anything else. These are very, very handy as well, so they are very, very nice to get your makeup off, even just scrubbing your makeup as well. They're very, very nice for that. Then I have, this is the moisturizer serum from eCooking, fragrance free. So I have recently got another 3 of these bottles. I've not used them yet. If you guys want to see a kind of tutorial sort of thing of how to use them, I will be very happy, because I've never heard of eCooking before since I've purchased my Glossybox. But this is a moisturising serum, so I have loads of serums, so that one's that go into my collection. Then I have this little guy here. This is St. Lux Brow Gel. Now again, I have loads of brow gels. One person do not need that many brow gels, but you can never have enough. So this is in the shade Clear. It is just a normal brow gel. I don't know how to explain it, but it's got like a fine brush there, and you just go over your brows, and it just kind of tames your brows. So if you've never heard of anything like this before, it just tames your brows, that's all. Last 2 products I have to show you guys. This is the Mud Mask, which is the serum for eye mask. Dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin or swelling. So this is a serum for your eyes. I absolutely love and I mean really do love these mud masky things. I've actually got one. I can't remember where I got it from. I think it's either a Glossybox or Look Fantastic. But one of these actually came as a blue light protection mask, and me and Nathan use it all the time, especially when I'm editing, with filming and my laptop, watching films on my phone, or we're watching things on TV. It helps so much with your eyes. It stops me from getting tired. It protects me from my skin. In my next video, I think I might show you guys like a skincare routine or something. I don't know, whatever you guys are into and you would like to see, then I will show you. But a mud mask, I do have the blue light protection cream as well, which I need to try and get my hands on some more because we absolutely love this. But this is the eye serum, and it helps you with any dark circles underneath your eyes. If you're feeling tired or you've got bags underneath your eyes, then it goes underneath there and it helps you. So this will come in very handy. I'm always tired first thing in the morning and I've always got bags under my eyes. It's brilliant. Last but not least I have is this. So this is the avocado infused sheet mask. Now sheet masks I am absolutely in love with. I love all sorts of sheet masks. But this is the avocado one. I'm absolutely in love with it. I love all kind of masks. Let me get this box off my lap. I love all kinds of masks, but sheet masks, the Body Shop masks, Soap and Glory masks, I just love them all really. Even the Garnier ones and them kind of cheap ones you get in Savers, I love them as well. But this is an avocado one, which I love avocados and I love sheet masks, so 2 in 1, brilliant. So you got to, obviously, if you don't know how to use a skin mask or sheet mask, it tells you on the back of how to use it. Please read the instructions first if you've never used a sheet mask before, but I love a good sheet mask. Anything to do with pampering, relaxing, I'm all for it. I really am. So thank you so much to Glossybox for all those products. I absolutely love them. At the beginning, I receive a box like that every month to my door for just £10 a month. Again, everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys, so go and check them out. Maybe this year is the year to treat yourself, especially of what we've been going through lately with coronavirus. You need a little pick-me-up and you need to take care of yourself. Even you just having a little bit of me time, you know, them boxes are absolutely worth it. If you've never heard any products before, they are so good for letting you test out products as well. And I personally am so in love with the products, and I love the boxes at the end of the month as well, because I know when they are coming and I get so excited and I can't wait to show you guys. It's just a perfect little pick-me-up, especially of what's going on at the moment. If you have things going on in your life personally and you need something to little pick-me-up, then these boxes are absolutely perfect. So again, I get mine for £10 a month. The box itself is worth £50 a month, so you are saving yourself £40. Now, how good is that? You're saving yourself £40 every month. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I love them. I love testing out all the products as well and testing new products. So this has been my Glossybox unboxing. So guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, then give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, which is next to it, so you're notified every time I upload. You do not want to miss any uploads that's coming up throughout the rest of this year. I've got a clothing haul from Want That Trend. It might be a short one, but it's still a haul that I want to show you guys. So if you're in love of PJs and Disney, then please stay tuned. Make sure you are clicking on that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. Plus there's room tours, there's house tours, there's another Revolution haul. Oh, there is so many coming up. Plus there's more glossy boxes, there's look fantastic boxes. There is so much coming up this year. Plus we've got the wedding. We're going to plan some of the wedding. Maybe a baby, you never know. But make sure you are subscribed and click on the notification bell so you do not miss any uploads, because this year is the year to change everything around. It's a whole new year, whole new fresh start, and basically a whole new chapter in your life. So if you like my videos, give it a great big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed so far. You mean so much to me. I will continue doing YouTube, and yeah, I will continue to do it for a very long time, so don't worry, I'm not going nowhere. Please stay safe, everyone, wherever you are around the world. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.